The next tool I want to show you all is the text tool. So when you click on the text tool, it's going to give you three options up here: adding a heading, which is a bigger block of text, you can see it pop on there; adding a subheading, which is a little bit smaller; and then adding body text, which is a smaller font size. Let's enlarge that a little. Down here at the bottom, you're going to see all sorts of pre-made font pairings. So for example, if you pop this into your, here, let me delete these, that won't be in our way. Oops. Okay, so they've gone ahead and selected fonts that go well together and put them together in an interesting way for you. So you can use some of those and just scroll through and see which one you like. Okay, now if you were going to use the, oh my goodness, sorry guys. If you were going to use the headings over here, subheadings, you can also then go here and look through all the different fonts that you can choose from. Now these, I believe these with a little crown are for a paid plan, which we're not going to use, no big deal. So we just choose the ones that do not have that little crown next to it. Okay, so in order to change font size, you can either simply drag the corners. Okay, so that changes the font size. You can see right here the number is changing, or you can change it manually by clicking and either selecting a size or typing in your own size. Okay, now here I went to 100, and so my text went into two rows. So I can also play around with the spacing tool. Okay, so spacing, I can not only change how far apart my letters are, I can also change how tightly paired my lines are. So I feel like there's too much space in between those, so I can just simply slide this down so those are closer together. Isn't that nice? Okay, you can also change the font color. Simply clicking this, you'll see text color pop up, and you can either select a default color, or you can go up here and move this around in order to select a font color. If you like a certain color, you can record that number for yourself if you'd like, or it also will keep that color up here as long as you're working on that specific project. Okay, so that is the text feature. Oh, I guess I should cover this as well. This button centers, aligns left, aligns across, aligns right. Okay, obviously you have italics and bold for some fonts. You won't have bold for every font. And then this will change capital, lowercase to just capitalizing the word. Okay, yay.